how to make a kite. You will need some carrier bags. 3 recycled carrier bags were the perfect size, but you can use bin bags instead if you want. You need to end up with a piece of plastic that's about 1 metre wide and 1 metre long. Sellotape, a ruler, a marker pen, some scissors, 2 wooden sticks. You need to make sure that they are about 1 metre long and strong enough but quite light. We used some thin doweling rod. You could use bean canes instead. Electrical tape and some string, long enough to fly your kite. First, cut down both sides of 2 carrier bags, all the way down to the bottom, and open them out. Lay the bags flat next to each other and tape them together down the middle. Use the sellotape here because it's nice and light. Turn the bags over and tape the other side too. Measure 25 centimetres from the top of the bag at both sides. Make a mark there. Draw a line from the mark at the side of the bag to the middle at the top. Draw this line on both sides, and then do the same to the middle at the bottom of the bag. Cut along the lines to make a diamond shape in your plastic. This will be your kite. Next, make the tail from another bag. Cut a wide strip down the middle of it. Then cut narrow strips up to the handle. Snip the strips so that each handle still has 2 strips attached. Lay 1 stick down the middle of the kite and fasten it down with electrical tape. Make sure it's stuck really securely. Slide the handles of the tail over the stick and move them down to the bottom. Use electrical tape to fasten the stick at the top of the kite as well. Put the other stick across the kite and fasten it down with electrical tape at each end. Snip a tiny hole in the kite in front of where the sticks cross. Push one end of the string into the hole, loop it behind the sticks and back up to the front of the kite. Tie the string in a strong knot in front of the crossed sticks. Now your kite is ready to fly. Find a big open space and some wind. But be careful, make sure there are no wires nearby. That can be very dangerous. Have fun!